Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fantastic feature update on the Messenger app for PC. If you've ever wondered how to quickly view all the shared links in your chat, this new update makes it easier than ever. Whether you're sharing articles, videos, or other content, knowing how to access these links can enhance your messaging experience. To get started, let's jump into the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to explore your conversations. Next, locate the specific chat where you've shared or received links that you want to view. It's as simple as scrolling through your chats or using the search function if you're in a hurry. Once you've found the chat, look for the right side menu and click on Media and Files and Links. This section consolidates all the media and links shared in that conversation, making it easy for you to catch up on anything you might have missed. Finally, select the Links option to see all the links exchanged in that chat. Here, you can quickly browse through everything that has been shared, making it perfect for revisiting those interesting articles or videos you might want to check out later. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you can now easily view all shared links in your Messenger app chat on PC. Enjoy enhanced messaging and keep track of all those great finds.